terms of the sources of funding available for entrepreneurs, there is a lot of capital lying around and a lot of willing capital to chase the right opportunities. What Rakuten specifically brings to the table, particularly in the space of fintech, where today we have launched our $100 million FinTech Fund, is the fact that we have a lot of expertise in the field, primarily through our business units in Japan and now expanding internationally, namely the credit card business, an online bank, a securities business, a life insurance company, an insurance agency, as well as a cash card business, all of which are fintech businesses. These were companies that were startups that grew to be more mature businesses right now, and we're keeping that wave of innovation live through the fund, and that's the access we're actually granting to entrepreneurs as well as to our customers.
There has been a huge change in the funding landscape, especially in the UK. Incubators, places where businesses can go with ideas that they need advice, mentorship, they might need to meet a co-founder or meet some developers. These communities are building up, these supportive communities to help mentor and connect young talent with these skills, guidance, but also the funding that they need to grow. The job hasn't been solved yet. It's incredible to hear that today the news that the FinTech fund of 100 million has been launched by Rakuten, because this is needed. Opportunities for business people to grow their businesses globally, and the funding they need to put the rocket boosters under it.
Still too many small businesses make the mistake of thinking the bank is the only game in town, and that's completely wrong now. There's so many different options to go to. We probably need to see more small businesses and startups using equity finance, for example. Far too few companies do that still. Although things like peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding get a lot of press, actually when you go around the country and talk to small business owners, a lot of them have never heard of these things. So we're still a long way from matching up this fast-growing and very welcome alternative finance sector with the businesses that need the capital, but I think we'll get there.
What I've learned from my experience of seeking funding is that it's all about the people that you're going to have to work with on a day-to-day basis. Do they share your values? If they do, they're probably going to make a great investor.